Your kitchen deserves better than that one scratched up pan you keep hiding in the back of the drawer because you were afraid to throw it away. You know the one. It has a coating that is peeling off like a bad sunburn. Every time you use it, you end up scraping half your dinner off the bottom with a metal spatula. I spent some time putting the Blue Diamond Hybrid cookware set through its paces. I wanted to see if it actually lives up to the massive hype. Most of these sets make bold claims about being indestructible. They promise to be perfectly non-stick forever. Usually, they fall apart after a few rounds with a simple grilled cheese sandwich. Right away, I noticed the weight of these pieces. These pans have a glossy black exterior. It feels premium and sleek. They do not have that thin, tinny feel that makes you worry about the metal warping. You do not want a pan that buckles the second it hits a hot burner. The colorful accents add a nice touch without looking tacky or cheap. The coating itself is the real star of the show. It feels incredibly smooth to the touch. It lacks that weird sandy texture you often find on low-quality pans. I started with the ultimate test, which is the humble fried egg. I used a tiny drop of oil. The egg just glided across the surface. It had no resistance at all. It makes you feel like a professional chef. You could be stumbling through breakfast in your pajamas and still nail it. For everyday tasks like tossing a stir fry or simmering a delicate sauce, the heat distribution is surprisingly even. You do not get those annoying hot spots. No more burning one side of your food while the rest stays cold. The handles are actually designed for human hands. They feel sturdy. They stay relatively cool. This is a huge relief when you are juggling multiple burners at once. Now, let us be realistic about where this fits in your kitchen lineup. If you are looking to get a crusty, professional sear on a thick steak, you are still going to want your heavy cast iron. You might still want your stainless steel for high heat roasting. This set is a workhorse for the majority of cooking we do every day. It is for the pancakes. It is for the sautéed veggies. It is for those quick pasta dishes after work. Cleanup is where the real joy happens. You basically just wipe it out and you are done. No more soaking pans in the sink for 3 days. No more scrubbing with all your might. This is not some overpriced junk that is going to fail you in a month. It is a legitimate tool for people who actually cook at home. It is for those who want something that works without the headache. It bridges the gap between those cheap, disposable pans and the super expensive professional gear. If you want a set that makes your life easier and looks great sitting on your stove, this is a very strong contender. It handles the heat. It keeps the food moving. It saves you a ton of time at the sink. That is a win in my book every single time. It is rare to find something that actually balances durability with that slick performance we all crave. You can feel the quality when you flip an omelet. You can see it when the sauce slides right out into the bowl. This set is about making the daily grind of meal prep feel less like a chore and more like a win. It is a solid investment for any home cook tired of fighting their equipment.